Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. Man, yesterday I had a terrific day. I got to go and check out Oley, Pennsylvania, and the Antique motorcycle show there. It's the Perkiomen Chapter National Meet of the Antique Motorcycle Club of America. And it was just a fantastic show. Lots of great people. It was a really nice turnout. The weather was just beautiful, and there were some truly gorgeous antique and vintage motorcycles there. Just a really, really fun time. Thank you, Mustang Mike, for telling me about that show. Although the motorcycles were older than what I typically deal in and like to work on and review, they were just super cool. I mean, it really shows you how far motorcycling has come. But I was kind of surprised to see how many four-cylinder Indian motorcycles and Henderson motorcycles there were. We kind of think of Honda's CB754 and Kawasaki's Z1900 as the first four-cylinder motorcycles, and they really weren't. All the way back in the late 20s and early 30s, you had companies like Henderson and Indian and Ariel making four-cylinder motorcycles. The Henderson and Indian motorcycles were inline fours, and the Ariel was actually a square four, which is a really unique motorcycle engine design. But it was just a fantastic show. I'm going to just kind of go through. There's a lot of pictures that I took at the show, and just let you see some of my highlights, bikes that I thought were really cool looking or interesting. I took my truck and trailer along just in case I saw something that was too tempting to pass up. And I must admit, there was a little orange Honda CB550 four-cylinder there that tempted me. I've got a couple of pictures of that bike, but it was a little bit more than I wanted to spend. I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.